Hi kids! Have you ever seen the sun disappear in the middle of the day or the moon turn red at night? Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of eclipses. So, what is an eclipse? An eclipse happens when one space object, like the moon or the Earth, moves into the shadow of another space object. There are two main types of eclipses: solar eclipses and lunar eclipses. A solar eclipse happens when the moon moves between the sun and the Earth. This makes the sun look like it's being covered up. Sometimes, the moon covers the sun completely, and it gets really dark, even though it's daytime. This is called a total solar eclipse. Other times, only part of the sun is covered, which is called a partial solar eclipse. But wait, there's more. Sometimes, we have what's called an annular solar eclipse. This happens when the moon is a little farther from the Earth, so it looks smaller and doesn't cover the entire sun. Instead, you see a bright ring around the moon, called the Ring of Fire. Isn't that cool? A lunar eclipse happens when the Earth comes between the sun and the moon. The Earth's shadow falls on the moon, making it look like it's changing color. Sometimes, the moon can even look red. This is called a blood moon and happens during a total lunar eclipse. Have you ever wondered why the moon turns red during a total lunar eclipse? It happens because of the Earth's atmosphere. When the sun's light passes through the Earth's atmosphere, the blue and green light gets scattered, but the red light bends and hits the moon, making it look red. It's like the colors of a sunset. Eclipses happen because of the way the Earth and moon move around the sun. The moon orbits the Earth, and the Earth orbits the sun. When everything lines up just right, we get an eclipse. Watching an eclipse can be super exciting, but you have to be careful. Never look directly at the sun during a solar eclipse because it can hurt your eyes. The radiations from the sun is very powerful and can damage your eyes really quickly. Instead, you can use special eclipse glasses that block out the harmful radiations. You can also make a pinhole projector, which lets you see the eclipse without looking directly at the sun. Both of these methods help protect your eyes while you enjoy the eclipse. Did you know that eclipses don't just happen on Earth? Other planets in our solar system can have eclipses too. For example, Jupiter has lots of moons, and sometimes these moons pass in front of Jupiter or cast shadows on it, creating an eclipse. Isn't that amazing? The longest total solar eclipse can last up to 7 minutes and 31 seconds, and the next solar eclipse might be visible from your backyard. Mark your calendars and get ready for an amazing show in the sky. Eclipses are one of nature's most spectacular shows. Now you know what they are, why they happen, how to watch them safely, and when and where you can see them. Keep looking up and enjoy the wonders of our universe.